Hi, my name is Christine and welcome to MSP Bot's Attendance Manager Onboarding. The Attendance Manager Onboarding aims to provide admins a walkthrough and configuration training and to guide admins in the initial setup and launch so that by the end of the onboarding, you as the admin can independently use the Attendance Manager app to manage your team's attendance, track time, and optimize utilization. You will also learn about our support resources and professional services for ongoing assistance. This training is ideal for individuals who administer the Attendance Manager app or oversee the respective team's availability, work, and utilization. We'll divide the training into two focus sessions which typically spans for 2 to 3 weeks. Session 1 would be the configuration overview and Session 2 as a recap and a Q&A meeting. In order for your team members to access and use Attendance Manager, the following prerequisites needs to be accomplished. Active Directory authorization is needed to sync users' profile information such as the user's full name, position or job title, and reporting manager, and display the user's avatar in the Attendance Manager dashboard and make it easier for the team to know each member's attendance status. MSP Bots is integrated with Microsoft Teams and Slack to send alerts and messages in a chat or in a channel. Installing MSP Bots and authorizing it is important to make the app work successfully and according to your requirements. So your team can just type the attendance commands such as in or WFH to log in without having them open the MSP Bots platform. It's also important to have the company members assigned with role permissions, either a user or attendance-only role, in order for those users to appear in the selection list in the Assign Licenses tab of the Attendance Manager settings. In the first session, we'll cover the initial settings or items that needs to be set up in order for you to implement the Attendance Manager properly. We'll go over the Assign Licenses, set up work schedule, the in-progress status setting, the options, under Settings tab, and the team member. We'll also go over the attendance dashboards, the buttons and filter functions so you can customize your view of the dashboard, and the reports and ready-to-use dashboards to give you insight into your team's attendance status. We'll go over the time adjustments and personal or time off requests and approval flow. We'll also cover the attendance bots that are built in the Attendance Manager to remind your team in logging their attendance status promptly. We'll deploy and test these bots using the attendance commands in your Microsoft Teams or Slack. For Session 2, we'll review the progress of onboarding objectives and address any lingering questions or challenges in implementation. If you're looking for features that doesn't exist yet with the Attendance Manager, or if something is not working, you can raise a ticket to support at mspbots.ai and our support team will expedite your request and provide you with the latest update on the ticket.